If you want more privacy on X, formerly Twitter, and you want to hide your followers and following activity as much as possible, this video is going to walk you through the exact steps. I'll keep it simple, fast, and easy to follow so you can change the setting in just a minute or two. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tech guides just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open the X app on your phone and make sure you're signed into the account you want to update. Once you're on the home screen, look for the More option. This is usually found in the side menu, and it's where X keeps a lot of your account and privacy settings. Tap More to continue. After that, tap Settings and Privacy. This section is where you can control how your account looks, who can interact with you, and what information other people can see. From there, select Privacy and Safety. This is the area we need because it contains the audience controls and protection settings that affect your visibility on the platform. Next, tap Audience and Tagging. Inside this menu, you will find the option that helps limit who can view your posts and account activity. Now look for Protect Your Posts and toggle it on. When you enable this setting, your posts become protected, which means only approved followers can see them. This is one of the best ways to make your account more private and reduce public visibility on X. If you're trying to make your presence less open to strangers, this is the key setting to turn on. Just keep in mind that once your posts are protected, new followers will need your approval before they can view your content. That's why it's a good idea to make sure you really want this level of privacy before switching it on. Also, if you're using X to share personal updates, private content, or just want tighter control over your audience, this setting can be very useful. After turning it on, go back and check your account to make sure the change saved correctly. And that's it. You've now updated your X privacy settings and made your account more protected. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.